father of enzymology. So the father of enzymology is B, the odd word. However, which of the following statement is or true or correct? Which of the following statement is or true or correct? So is it enzymes are biocatalysts? These enzymes increase the rate of a reaction? Is this enzyme decreases the activation energy of a reaction? Or all the above? So in fact, all of these statements are correct. So the answer for this one is D, all the above. Now the nature of the enzyme is, so what is the nature of the enzyme? Are they proteins? Are they lipids? Are they carbohydrates? Or they are none of the above? So enzymes are naturally proteins, but few of them exist as nucleic acids, and they are called ribozymes. So an enzyme was first crystallized for the first time by which of these scientists? Is it John Northrop, Edward Buchner, J.P. Summer, or none of the above? So J.P. Summer was the first scientist to have crystallized enzyme from a living system. So the answer for this is C. Now, which of the following statement or which of the following is correct? Is it when you have an apo enzyme plus cofactor, you will follow enzyme? Is it an apo enzyme minus cofactor, give you a follow enzyme? Is it the apo enzyme equal to cofactor minus follow enzyme? Or none of the above? So of course, when you have an apo enzyme with a cofactor, we are going to get a follow enzyme. So the answer for this is A. Question 6. So enzymes are classified into how many types? So we have 6 main classes of enzymes. Others object that is 7, but we have 6 main standard types or classes of enzymes. So the answer for question 6 is 6. So it's D. So competitive inhibitor of an enzyme is it a structural analog of the enzyme, a functional analog of the enzyme, functional analog of the substrate, or the structural analog of the substrate? So every competitive inhibitor is a structural analog of the substrate that compete with the substrate for the same active site of the enzyme. So the answer for question 7 is D. Majority of the enzymes are inactive at, so which of these temperatures is likely to inactivate an enzyme? Is it 25% or 25 degrees Celsius? Is it 15 degrees Celsius? Is it between 30 and 40? Or is when it's above 70? So actually most enzymes are inactive at a temperature of above 40. So above 70 for this one is the answer. Now the induced phase theory for formation of an enzyme substrate complex was proposed by, so which of these scientists proposed the induced phase theory for substrate bind or enzyme substrate interaction or complex? Is it Koshland? Is it Charles Liebeck? Is it Buchner? Or is Fischer? So for the scientist who proposed the induced phase theory was Koshland. Now, what is the SI unit for an enzyme activity? So the enzyme activity here refers to how many moles of the substrate can be converted to a product per 1 minute. So how is it measured in? So is it in Bell? Is it in mole? Is it Hertz? Or is it Catal? So enzyme activity is measured in Catal. So the answer for this is G. Question 11. Which of the following is the reason for gout disease? So which of this is likely to cause gout disease? So is it deficiency in xanthine oxidase enzyme? Is it overproduction of xanthine oxidase? Is it deficiency of beta-galactosidase enzyme? Or is it deficiency of lipase enzyme? So gout basically is caused by when there is an overproduction of the xanthine oxidase enzyme. So the answer for question 11 is B. Now question 12, which of these enzymes is related to molecular biology? So the field of molecular biology studies the central element, which involves the activity or the conversion of a DNA to a protein. So is it DNA ligase? Is it DNA to isomerase? Is it a polymerase? Or all the above? So all of these enzymes play an essential role when it comes to flow of genetic information. So DNA ligase plays a role in DNA replication. DNA to isomerase plays a role in DNA replication. Then polymerase plays a role in replication. So the answer for question 12 is all the above. Now question 13. Deficiency of the enzyme B-glucocerebrosidase result in. So the beta-glucocerebrosidase result in which of these one is deficient? Is it the Gaucher's disease, the Fabry's disease, the Krebs disease, or the Lessian syndrome? So of course, when there is a deficiency of this enzyme beta-glucocerebrosidase, it results in the disease called Gaucher's disease. Gaucher's disease. So that's what question 13 is A. So enzymes that differ in amino acid sequence but catalyze the same reaction are is it cofactors, coenzymes, apoenzymes, or isoenzymes? So some enzymes are found in different tissues. They catalyze different or the same reaction. They are found in different tissues because they have different amino acid sequence. So if they catalyze the same reaction, then the two enzymes are called isoenzymes. A typical example is an enzyme called hexokinase found in the tissues and the kinase found in the liver. All can feed, or let's say can convert to glucose to their respective product. So the answer 14 is D. Now 15, the temperature at which the maximum activity of the enzyme occurs. So which temperature do we have the maximum activity of an enzyme? Is it the optimum temperature? We call it maximum temperature. Is it the minimum temperature? Or it's none. So that is called an optimum temperature, or it can be called an optimal temperature, where we have the enzyme's maximum activity. That is the optimum temperature. Now the class of enzymes that catalyze the synthetic reactions where two molecules are joined together and ATP is used. So here two molecules are joined together and ATP is used. It's called what? So which of these enzymes uses ATP to synthesize a particular product from two reactants? So is it hydrolysis? Is it lyases? Is it ligases? or isomerases. So ligases ligate two molecules together using ATP to form another molecule. So the answer is C. Now the non-protein organic part of the enzyme is. So the non-protein organic part of an enzyme, how is it called? Is it a cofactor? Is it a coenzyme? An apoenzyme? Or an isoenzyme? So the answer here is a coenzyme. So if it is an organic part or an organic compound, it is called a coenzyme. But if it is any other compound, being it organic or any other one like a metal ion, we can call it a cofactor. So here specifically, if it is an organic compound, it is a coenzyme, basically from vitamins. So the answer for 17 is B. Now 18, pepsin and urease are examples for which class of enzymes? So these enzymes are cleavage enzymes. What class of enzyme do they fall in? Fall under? So is it hydrolysis, ligases, reductases, or lyases? So all these enzymes are hydrolysis that add water molecules to the compound to break them. So 15 is a proteolytic enzyme that add water to break the peptide bond. Then the urease breaks down urea into a carbonate and an ammonia. So they add water molecule to break down their respective substrate to the product. 19. Which of the following enzyme is elevated in alcoholism? So in alcoholism, which of these enzymes is likely to be elevated? Is it hepatitis? Is it serum glutamate pyruvate transmutase? Is it acid phosphatase? Or it is glutamal transpeptidase? So the answer here is glutamal transpeptidase, which is basically released into the body when there is damage to the liver tissues. The liver tissues damage normally occurs in alcoholism. So when there is alcoholism, there is going to be damage to the liver tissues, releasing this enzyme glutamal transpeptidase in the blood. So these are the answers to the questions here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe after watching so you can receive every bit of update from this channel. Thank you.